What is up, you guys? What is up, you guys? No? What's up? Hey, how you doing? My name is Amisi. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be giving you a quick room tour. I'm supposed to be checking out. I've been so busy. I've been kind of busy. I've just not been here. Just forget about it. So I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour of how the hostels are different, and I came a bit, so I got the least beautiful hostel, but we move on regardless. So before I check out, I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour. Yeah, basically. So this is just a quick room tour of the hostels are different. So what you need to actually know. So this is the entrance. This is the door. And in this room there are like 2 beds. It's a double decker. But the other, it depends. This is the double decker. This is the lower bed and the upper bed. Guess who was sleeping on the upper bed? Yeah, it was me. So that's the bed parts. As I told you, I'm supposed to be checking out, so don't worry about everything being everywhere. Yeah. So coming here is a study table with a chair. Yeah, so this is the study table. Yeah. Then we have this chair that's supposed to be here. There's a beautiful mirror on the wall. Here we are again, summarize and go.
Wanna get you right now. Please take me like bomb. Heart gon' speed so God splash on my brain. Wanna get you 당장 매력의 head 답답해 Wanna leave cannon or dash on your flavor splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer
Dancing on my ass like a move Bad rat shit in my shoes Pull up to your bed and never lose Sip it that we're getting loose See me now, no can take you off Go time, babe, please take that off Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car I get the cash and I go hard Spend all the cash on the fashion Ain't gotta talk all the shit at all Show this just let everybody talk Show this just let everybody talk Ooh, swimming with you Got me crazy, oh damn, I'm keeping on doing
어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어 Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 And me dizzy 알라 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해 Yeah yeah Just wanna keep going Oh yeah 오늘의 약속이 Oh yeah 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈길 멀어 우리 사이 Yeah You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 니뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨 Yeah yeah
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가